Question says, given that y is equals to open bracket pr over m minus p square r close bracket, r raised to the power of minus 3 over 2. So question 2a is asking us to make r the subject of formula from this relation. So let's begin. We have that y is equals to open bracket pr over m minus p square r close bracket minus 3 over 2. So from here, the power here is minus 3 over 2. So the first step we have to take is to consider the multiplicative inverse of the power. And the power is minus 3 over 2. And the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 over 2 is going to be minus 2 over 3. So at this point, all we need to do, the next step is for us to multiply both sides, both the right and the left hand side, by the power of the multiplicative inverse. So this becomes y raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 is equals to open bracket pr over m minus p square r close bracket minus 3 over 2 then times minus 2 over 3. So from here we simplify further. We have y raised to power minus 2 over 3 is equals to open bracket pr over m minus p square r close bracket. So here we have minus times minus is plus, and 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 6 over 3 times 2 again is 6. Okay. So here we have 6 over 6. So let's continue. Here we have y raised to power minus 2 over 3 is equals to open bracket pr over m minus p square r close bracket. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So raised to power 1 is still the same thing. So at this point here, we say y raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 is equal to open brackets. Let's take the LCM. This is same thing as saying over 1. So the LCM here is going to be m. And remember, what we want to make the subject of formula is this letter r, right? So from here we have m. M divided by m is 1. 1 times pr gives us pr minus m divided by 1 is m. Then m times p square r gives us mp square r. We close the brackets. So let's continue from here. So here we have y raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 is equal to, looking at this, let's take the common factor as the numerator here. The common factor here is r. So if you factorize r, we are going to be left with p minus, when you factorize r here, we'll be left with mp square. So here we have mp square. We close the bracket all over what we have at the denominator, which is m. So from here, this is the same thing as saying over 1. So we can easily cross multiply here. And so we have y raised to power minus 2 over 3 times m is equals to r open bracket p minus mp square. Okay, so this times 1 still gives us the same value. So from here we can make r the subject of formula. So here we have y raised to the power, or we can say my raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 is equals to r open bracket p minus mp square. We close the bracket. So from here we make our subject of formula by dividing both sides by p minus mp square. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for both the left and the right hand side. So this values cancels this value. Okay, so what we are left with is my raised to the power minus 2 over 3 over open bracket p minus mp square close bracket is equals to r. So therefore r is equals to my raised to the power minus 2 over 3 all over open bracket p minus mp square. So we've made r the subject of formula, and this is the final answer we are having. Okay, so we have r equals to my raised to the power minus 2 over 3 all over open brackets p minus mp square.